I don't want to stick to one art form. I want to explore art, different materials, and processes. I'm building this art space from scratch. Every organizer, every storage solution, I'll be making myself. This is where ideas turned into plans, and plans slowly turns into reality. Hi, I'm Aarzoo. I have always loved exploring new things. Small, messy, imperfect kind of things. When I decided to start this channel, everyone said the same thing. Pick up one niche. Do only one thing. But that never works for me. Because whenever I see something crazy or interesting on Instagram or Pinterest, my mind goes like, acrylics? Try करते हैं. Oils? Try करते हैं. Clay? Ceramics? Try करने में क्या हर्ज है? Arteria kids will get me. So this channel is not about one art form. It's all about exploring different mediums, materials, and ideas. It's all about creativity. And sometimes creativity gets outside the art too. This is a journey of an artist. If you're someone like me, curious, experimental, and a little crazy about art, come join me. Let's build a community of art explorers. In the next videos, I'll be organizing the space, building everything from scratch, and exploring different art forms. The only thing I'm buying are the table and the chair. This is my journey of exploring art. I'm glad you're here.